Hi, I'm Nicole Robinson with SRG Wealth Preservation. If you've built significant wealth, you've probably asked yourself this: will my family handle this wisely when I'm gone? You're not alone. 70% of wealth disappears by the second generation. 90% is gone by the third. And it's rarely because of taxes or investment mistakes. It's because most families never create a plan to pass down wisdom, only money. That's why we created this series, The Family Wealth Blueprint: How to Make Sure Your Kids Don't Blow It. Over the next 7 episodes, you'll learn why most inheritances do more harm than good, how to hold powerful family meetings without starting a fight, how to prepare your heirs to be responsible, not entitled, why trusts are behavior-shaping tools, not just tax shelters, and how to keep your wealth aligned to your values for generations, because this isn't just about passing on dollars. It's about protecting your life's work and preparing the people you love to carry it forward. Let's build a legacy that lasts. Watch the full Family Wealth Blueprint series, and when you're ready, schedule your legacy strategy session at srgwealth.com.